Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions and opening the team site. This matters because you can't change settings without adequate access. Once done, open Microsoft 365, click SharePoint, and pick the correct team site. Make sure the site matches your team name. Next, pull together the list of folders, channel documents, and owners you'll use. This speeds the setup and prevents accidental overwrites. Keep one source of truth, so migration and initial organization are straightforward. You now organize content by creating focused document libraries for each workstream. This reduces clutter and improves search later. Once libraries exist, configure permissions at the library level, assign owners for admin tasks, members for editing, and visitors for read-only. Least privilege reduces risk. Then add metadata columns and upload file templates so documents get tagged consistently, which makes filtering and automated flows reliable. With these steps, content becomes manageable and finish by enabling versioning and retention to protect work and meet compliance. This gives you restore points if edits go wrong. Next, pin critical documents to the home page, add quick links, and run a short team walkthrough so everyone knows where to save and search. If users report sync problems, first check the OneDrive client status, confirm correct permissions, and watch for excessive path length. Those are the most common causes. With that, your team site is ready.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.